Once everything's unpacked, the propeller protector can be removed and I'll get the Mini 2 unfolded. Let's make sure the batteries are fully charged by single pressing the power button on the battery charger. Then the battery can go into the Mini 2 and the gimbal protector can be removed. The gimbal protector has to be removed before takeoff so that the gimbal can move freely. It's simply providing protection for the camera gimbal whilst it's packed away. Now the control sticks can be screwed into place on the front of the controller. The wireless antenna, which doubles as a phone mount, extends out from the top of the remote, and hidden beneath it is the USB cable which is used to connect to the phone. Finally, I can open the DJI app on my phone and power on the remote controller as well as the Mini 2 itself. Once we connect the app, the video feed from the Mini 2 will start streaming to the phone's display, and we can start the motors and are now ready for takeoff. Once in the air, the left control stick controls the altitude of the drone as well as the direction, and the right control stick controls the movement forward, backwards, left and right.